Hi guys! Iconic here. Welcome back to this channel. So, today, tingnan nyo ang makeup station ko. Wow! Wow! And, wow! Ang kalat best. Iconic here. Welcome back to this channel. So, today, tingnan nyo ang makeup station ko. Wow! Wow! And, wow! Ang kalat best, merong food. So, but then, I'm so happy because I'm done with my four clients, I think. And, 2 for the hairstyle. So, today, I'm going to show to you because what I've done for them is all about neon jungle theme something. So I got something from BYS and I'm super thankful because I'm going to make a review on that and be excited. So I'm going to show to you what are the things that I got from BYS. So first is this is totally amazing, guys. Look at the colors. I'm going to give you swatches, but I'm so sorry. This is a haul video, but then I already used it for my clients, so bear with me. So this one is the BYS Eyeshadow Neons Limited Edition. It cost me 299 pesos. And then, I've got a neon lipstick. BYS Neon Lip Stain. It's 199 pesos. I'm going to place the prices and the name of the products on the description box. And I have as well this BYS, this one, BYS Festival Pack Ibiza Nights, and I am mag-focus best. And it has green, red, white, and orange. I was hesitant to buy this. The color pigmentation is very nice. Yes, I can vouch for that. But then, I wish I had the purple, orange, and pink one. Yeah, this cost me 599 pesos. Yeah, 599 pesos for that. And, mabigat siya best. And, next, I also got 2 lipstick from them. Sorry, ano na siya, ginamit ko siya, bago lang siya. And it cost me 399 pesos each. And I have the Intense Shine Lip Gloss. What's number 10, Jupiter. And number 9, Mercury. Focus. Ang hirap maging cameraman at the same time yung creator. Next that I got is this, very cute. It's a 2-in-1 dry brush cleaner in a heart shape, and it costs 299 pesos, guys. I'm super in love. BYS has a lot of products for Christmas. And lastly, because I had this, they gave me a free item, which is a pouch. I'm super thankful. Thank you so much, BYS, for that. And that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I already mentioned the face paint, the neon lipstick, 3. I have 3 lipstick, and this one. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to update to you on my HMUA life. But so far, yes, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga looks na nagawa ko so far for them. Ang sa hair, hindi ko na siya na picturean, but then sa makeup meron man. So, i-insert ko dito yon 1, 2, 3. And you know what, guys? I'm super blessed today because binigyan ako ng client ng dip pomade na Deep brow ng MAC. Oh, sosyalan. Thank you. One of my clients gave me as well this super glittery pigmented MAC eyeshadow. Watch out, I'm going to give you swatches on this as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for my lovely clients. So, we're done na. Thank you so much. Cute, no? Thank you. Hi! Thank you! Thank you so much.
Vlog pala.
Hi! Among Poison Ivy. Nice kay guys. Tingin tanawa ang iyang eyes. Oh, a close man. Ano? Thank you.